Hello everyone. In this video, I will read the story The Red Bird Tree. Please listen carefully and watch the full video and learn how to read a lesson in English book. Read this story about the red bird tree. Once upon a time, when King Brahmadatta ruled the city of Varanasi, he had four young princes. The young princess had grown up hearing many wonderful stories about a beautiful tree known as the red bird tree. It had never seen the red bird tree and wished to be the first ones to see it. One day, the eldest prince asked the king's charioteer to take him deep into the forest where this tree grew. It was still early spring, and the tree was standing as a bare stump of wood in the forest, without any leaves or birds. The prince did not understand why it was known as the red bird tree and returned to the place. Sometime later in spring, the next son requested the king's charioteer to take him to the red bird tree. The tree was covered with bright red bird and looked very beautiful. The third son went into the woods just after the springtime. Now, the tree did not have any red birds and was covered with lush green leaves. He also could not see no reason for calling it a red bird tree. The youngest prince also decided to go to and have a look to the famous red bird tree. By this time, the tree was covered with little bean pods. When he came back from the forest, he ran into the garden where his brothers were playing and told him with much excitement, "I saw the red bird tree." "So, what is special about it?" said the eldest prince. "It is nothing but a dead stamp of wood," he added. "What make you say that?" said the second son. "When I went in the woods, it was covered with hundreds of beautiful red birds." The third prince said, "I have also seen the red bird tree. It is not a dead stamp of wood. It is not covered with red birds. It looks like an ordinary tree covered with green leaves." The youngest prince said with confidence, "Brothers, all of you are mistaken. I have just seen the tree and I can say for sure that it is now covered with little bean pods." The prince thought that the redbud tree was some mystical tree and appeared in different form before different people. The king heard their conversation about the redbud tree. When they stopped talking, he came out and said, "My dear son, all four of you have seen the same tree, but each of you saw it at different time of the year." The princess understood what the matter was and laughed at their childishness. So, I hope you learned this story, you understand this story, and you learned how to read book. In next video, I will explain this story in Hindi so that you can understand this story very well. And I will also provide you the question answers of this chapter so that after understanding this chapter, you can go through and learn all the question answers and get good marks. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.